Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in and welcome to Maverick Channel. Today we will be exploring the little river down there. It is a fun day out here today, and let's bring this down and explore a little bit and see what treasures we could find down there. Let's go across first and see what's on the other side. Okay, it is just some power lines in an open space. Let's come back and get back to the fun path. It is quite low, the water level, and I am very intrigued and hoping to just enjoy, the scenery, just see what nature has to offer down here. Let's bring it back up. What a wonderful perspective I'm getting from here. We are flying the DJI Spark today, and as always it is ready for the task. Very stable drone. I really enjoy flying it. Wow, what a nice view out there, so peaceful. What a lovely display of nature. The water level is really low. I should have brought my boots and stroll through it. I think I would have had a little bit much better perspective and fun just walking along behind, actually just going for a stroll with the DJI Spark. Let's see what's up there. Oh, look at the bird. Sorry, bird. I didn't mean to scare you. I'm just exploring and I'll be out of here in a minute. Hi there. So peaceful. Uh-oh. That was a fun one right there, guys. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you for watching. It was a wonderful experience. Please leave your comments below. Tell me what you think. Ask any questions you have. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you.